one. Oh, that's not big enough. Anyway. So, for example, for this one, okay, this is the one site, and so this one come with very good survey of also the data collection of each vehicle, and we know the vehicle, what type of vehicle, and the things over here we know the monthly drive miles. 50 miles a month or either 900 miles a month. And this is kind of a distribution of the monthly drive miles, like say, some vehicles drive less, some vehicles drive more. And based on that information, I just generate just random size sample. Okay, those vehicles, they just like, okay, so probably this one, okay, on Monday, there's only one activity ID, which is 24 hours parking on site. There's no drive distance. Tuesday, no, just like parking on site, no drive distance. Maybe Wednesday, they just drive 10 miles. And given this information, I can generate some vehicle status, like driving, parking. That's pretty much it. And if during the parking, if it's parking at the office, I can estimate, oh, do you need a parking or no? Do you need a charging or no to meet your next trip requirement? I don't want you to just like dead in the halfway for the next trip. So here, this is the case. And so in the early morning, you get, that's number 3, I think, the charging, maybe. I forgot the vehicle status, just like parking, drive, parking, drive. And then this one could be like charging. So this is kind of the behavior or the activities of the day. You know what I mean? This one right now is just very simple. We just assume there's only like drive, parking. Oh, here. Okay, drive, parking, or maybe the charging, or wait for the stations if there's some case. But this is only for the electric vehicles. But before we electrify those vehicles, but we just wanted to get some like activity model or either activity profiles for each vehicle. But these activity profiles, only resource we can get, which is either way is like we just conduct transparency survey to each employee, or based on this like travel survey data site, and for a facility in a city in the urban area, and 10 vehicles locate within 5 miles. Another 10 locate 5 to 10 miles. Given those information to generate that activity profiles of each vehicle. And then take that input to generate the charging load profiles. So if you see the document I share with you, this one here, right now, here, employee-driven behaviors, we just simplified to a very simple activity. If we can get to know to solve this, the problem, for the rest of the work, it's already in place. But this one, I think it's going to be hard. You can just take a review of this, like, especially for this section. The daily driving profiles.
Yeah.
The goal is generate a driving profiles for the driver.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the goal. Sounds simple, but I think it's take time. And I will just give you some reference. Okay.
And
Right.
this employee so you want us to create like this driving profile for each driver, right?
That's
so
right.
I'm confused on what data you want us to use, the national survey data, or do you have some other data?
We only, there are only two options to make it work.
Okay.
One option, which is you conduct a survey.
Okay.
Which is
We conduct. So me and Isabella would conduct the survey.
Yeah, which is like you can do the survey for sure, and which is a case by case, right?
Yeah.
But some cases like I don't have. I just want to do some like preliminary data analysis or either preliminary planning analysis. If it makes work, I can do the advanced option, which is like I will conduct a survey to give you more accurate information. But this is kind of like screening process. Okay, I don't have that information. That's just like something like I don't have the information of the number of parking space. I don't have any survey data, but only thing I have this site. Okay, tell me about it. This site is located in a rural area, located in the urban area, located in suburban area. All the information is in the transportation survey database.
So okay.
But there's some like reference that you can refer to, which is one is I think it's like being. Let me see. The heck. I'll just list all here. A second. This is one. Okay, check out this component, the behavior component of this beam model. But I don't think they can generate these activity profiles. And another one, which is if you go to the G same LPL, let me check. Okay, I think this is under my account. Let me see. Yeah, this is the one. With G same. Okay, drive cycles. Okay, here you go. You know, I would like you can start with the V2G same in the driving behavior over here. There's this component. You can check it out. Or you can run. You can just download and run the V2G same to see how the activity ID, how the activity profiles being generated. What else? I think this, I will start with this one.
So
Yeah, go ahead.
so what do you want us to, like right now, what do you want us to do?
Right now, explore the dataset, the national